Uba renikton lang do tongkar MLA ka Mawkyrwat uba badru ya kakam kumomentri katinat umdi ikajela mentak sngi ka lai pautrik uleber aja ar ula plie paidbah ya kawei pat ka jaka pyllang pisa balatip kum ka Housing Development Finance Corporation Bank Limited Mawkyrwat branch ha Southwest Khas Hills Mawkyrwat bat kane ka deiru ka branch ka ba arhuwei jong ka HDFC Bank hapo ka jela Meghalaya hakane sngi lai don langru na du ikong karamai kharkongo Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khas Hills District uba WB Biam ADC Mawkyrwat ba SC Lalu ADC Mawkyrwat ba I Lauriniang BDO Mawkyrwat CNRD Block Roshan Thapa Close Head Jong ka HDFC Bank Haga Jilla Meghalaya kinong penyat ke HDFC Bank ki mentri shnong bat kiwei de habakren kum ukongsan hakni gisngi uba renikton lang do tongkar uloong ba ka PHE kadon ka jingade baklan bah bat ke HDFC Bank ula pentipru ba ka Sarkar India kalamang pisa sakumba sauspa klur tengka na ka benta ban penya yakikam ka Jal Jeevan Mission hapo ka Jala Meghalaya ula benrap ba ka jingdon jong ka tega bank kansai rap shiboni ki contractor jong ka dong ka than ban penya yaki scheme lengba ka JJM bat kumju ru yakipat ba.
And sometimes we forget that bank is not all about only business, but it is also about serving people. So this is very, very important. And that's why sometimes you see that branches in the rural areas, when they open, after some time they close down. Why? Because they see only about business. So yes, I do agree that bank is for business. I hope there will be a business here in Mawkyrwat. But I want to remind that let us keep in our mind that we are not only doing business, but we are also providing service to the people of the state, to the people of this area. I think when we have this in mind, it will give us energy. It will give the bank an energy to do better when we keep in our mind that we are providing service to the people of the state, to the people of this area. That I really wanted to remind you all that while working here in this area, in this Mawkyrwat village, in the district of Southwest Khas Hills, that the officers who will be working here, people will see that they are giving us a good service. So that is the expectation from the people of Mawkyrwat and from all of us. And I know if you can do this, as HDFC has done social service to many places, we expect also to see, and we know also your plan, that you have plan in mind to keep a social service to the people of this area as well. And I believe that many contractors, they will have to open account to many banks, and most probably they will feel convenient to open with HDFC, since HDFC is banking with PHE for those contractors who will be working under PHE. I'm also very happy to inform you that in this 2 day is a great day for us. Yesterday, as you all know, it is a historic day that we have managed and we have been able to settle down the problem of 50 years of the state of Meghalaya for not having the boundary. But yesterday we have managed for the 6 out of 12 area of differences that yesterday the government of Meghalaya and Assam has signed in the ministry to settle those 6 areas. And I'm very happy to tell you that the Home Minister himself, he has told us in the meeting that he expects that another 6 which is remaining, we should be able to complete within 6 months. So we are on the job, and we hope that we will be able to complete the entire boundary problem that we have with Assam to settle within this year itself. So that's the great thing. Another thing for which I want to bring as a good news, I don't know, you must have seen or you may not seen also, because just today morning, before we start from Delhi, a good news that to you, to HDFC Bank, is that we have got under 400 crores. And I think in these few days, the money will be credited to your account, 400 crores for the implementation of JJM. And this is a great thing as an incentive to the state of Meghalaya due to the performance, due to the good performance of the state of Meghalaya, the department PHE. we have been able to get another big amount of 400 crores. And today morning, before we start from Delhi, I got the sanction order that it has been sanctioned for that amount. So this will be a great thing, and it's a great hope for HDFC, and I hope we will go a long way with HDFC.
It is actually a very nice day, a happy day for us that you are able to open this branch office, and we hope that with your coming to the district, you will improve the promote banking in the area, because as you know here this will be just be the second private sector bank in the district, and we hope that you would also tend to these the local area, and not only confine yourself to the four walls of this building, but that you will also reach out to the community. You would be, you would have a friendly approach and see what is, raise the demand, and not just attend to the people the customers in the queue. So we would encourage you to give loans. I don't know if that is in your scheme of things, loans to the artisans, to the farmers, so that they all benefit from your presence here. So in fact, that is what I expect. That yes, it's a very, very welcome step that the branch to have the branch manager here, and with the 7 odd staff that you would be keeping, you will reach out also to the community, to the population, and see what their needs are. Because as you know, most of the population here are residing in the rural areas. Some of them artisans, and some of them making a lot of handicrafts. I had just attended the district level industry handicraft here, and if you have the time, I would like you to also go tomorrow and see, because they would be having this exhibition for another 2 days. See how the skills of the people are, and they definitely would want loans, at an easy installment and all that. So that would be a great service. In fact, in the we had this PMEGP, so we were just reviewing the loan position. So we invariably find that there was no contribution from the private sector. There was only one applicant, and with that also that case was still pending, not rejected, still on the process. All the money that the people deposit here, they cannot be converted. I mean, it's only a deposit, and things like that. So I would also like the HDFC bank to think on these lines, So we would expect, it is good that you are coming here, that people also, it is easier to always have the presence here, because people can now not keep money in their houses for ordinary transaction. They would be having the ATM cards and all that. So that would go a long way for them. They would also improve their understanding and saving, and the concepts of saving and all that. So in the end, I would just like to say that good, you all have come, promote banking, and in this way you function in such a way that the people, they look to the bank as a friend. So with these words, I wish the bank all the very best, and you have here all potential customers, so it really depends on your salesmen and all that. So with these few words, I think we should end on a happy note.
Thank you.